crafty friends, it's Jess from jesscrafts.com, and today I'm here with something super exciting. Pink & Main is starting a new monthly subscription box, and it's called the Crafty Courtyard program. It's going to be released on February 23rd, which may or may not be today, depending on when this video gets posted. But the boxes aren't going to be shipping until March 15th, so you probably still have time to order if this isn't February 23rd. So they will ask people to subscribe for a minimum of 3 months, but then you can cancel and you're going to be blown away. Okay, so Pink & Main contacted me and asked me if I was interested in sharing. I love to do 10 cards, 1 kit videos, so I said yes. Look how adorable that box is. And then there's the tissue paper to like make it feel all like fancy like a present, which I like. And of course I can reuse all that. This is something that they have said you get when you first subscribe to the box. So this is like a little present in addition to the box. So I'm going to save that for last and just show you the main kit. Okay, so the kit is going to come in this zip top bag, which to me was really exciting because I wind up putting them in zip top bags anyway, my kits, until they are used up. So, and then here on the bottom is the cardstock. So I'll grab that out and get the box out of our way. So this here is just a little advert about the kit, and so it kind of tells you what's in the kit, the color palette that match, so if you wanted to, you know, pick some additional supplies. There are 210-pound, I believe, white cardstocks. Well, it says, yeah, yep, ice rink cardstock, so that should be Pink & Main. And then these are basil cardstocks. This one has a texture to it. I believe this is basil. It doesn't actually say. The rest are. There's this sort of light gray, a shiny blue, a green, and a dark blue. I like that their cardstocks aren't just meant to be folded into card bases. They've given you something interesting, even with the cardstock between the shiny and the embossed. And then I always like the white cardstock because I think that a lot of times you got to consider that kits are great for people who are just building their stash. So having some high quality white cardstocks to try is great. It took me a while to find a cardstock that I really like. So if I were a new card maker, I would appreciate that. Oh, I just noticed the branding's on there. It's cute. So you know what it is. And I think that's nice too. You just tuck that in there and they don't forget like which kit was this, which month. Because I don't know about you, but sometimes I've collected a few kits before they got used. So, okay. Where to start? So there are some embellishments with the kit. Cute little bows. Some twine. And sequins, but they don't have the holes in them. There's like solid flat sequins, which can sometimes be easier to use as embellishments. A little mini button, which I'm not sure like if the thought is kind of like collect them in your craft room as cute inspiration or to use them on a card. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but there's that. Wow, metallic silver sparkle embossing glitter. I don't know if I've ever worked with embossing glitter. I must have at some point, but that'd be interesting to try. You get a Pink & Main surface ink in asphalt, which is a great basic color for those of you who think of kits for building your stash. And 4 envelopes, so you can actually make sure some of these cards get in the mail. Then this kit, the Inaugural Kit, is a birthday kit, which is great. A lot of us make birthday cards, and I like that it's very gender neutral. Like, you could make cards for any person of any age with this. I mean, sometimes people might like different stuff, like some people really love pink or whatever, but I just I like that it's not a restrictive kit. in terms of being like a very particular style. So let's take a look at some of the papers. Oh, that's really cool. The cover is the same width, or sorry, same weight as a piece of the pattern paper, and it's all like gray on the back, so it's not a piece of garbage essentially. Like, sorry, like when you get the top of a paper pad and you recycle it, like you don't have to do that with this because they have made it the same weight. I don't know if they do that with all their paper pads. That is super cool. I like the idea of like just making it not wasteful. Okay, so really fun happy birthdays, bold graphic candles, balloons. I like always the mix of the bolder prints with the more subtle small prints. That's important so that you have things to stamp sentiments on and you can mix and match. I like the geometrics and the bold stripes, and then I'm thinking it's probably going to start repeating from there. Yep, looks like it. So you have a couple of each paper design. Awesome. I think it looks like 4. Oh, and it says it on this both on the same side, so you get 2 pieces of that nice neutral gray. Love it. Okay. Next up is the dies that go with the kit. There's a star, a candle, the balloon. And the balloon looks like you can layer it, so it has 2 different options. You don't have to have the string. More stars. The wonky stars are cool. Sorry about my voice. This is really fun. The happy birthday. I could see cutting it out and kind of gluing the insides in, or laying them all out. It does seem a little fussy. They're like, because they're really small, but it's, I don't know, I just like having that option of adding a sentiment in a different way. Nice shiny jewels and some complementary colors to really finish off your cards. And finally, the 6x6 stamp set that's included. That same bold happy birthday graphic that's in the die and in the paper pad, tying it together. But they included a congratulations and a woohoo and cheers. So I think that kind of, or even let's party, like all of that opens it up to not specifically birthday, which to me is always a win. I don't like stamp sets that are really for only one occasion. There's not many out there, but I am anyway, or best wishes even. And I think that, you know, you could definitely use those for some other things. And I think that that means this is also a stamp set that I would add to my collection and pull out over and over again because it's just some really cool sentiments. So again, I think that has a good stash building element to it. Once I'm done using up the kit, in terms of using up the paper and embellishments, I'll still want the supplies. So 6x6, a whole 6x6 paper pad. And that's important too, because I've seen a lot of kits where it's like, oh, here's like 9 sheets of paper. No, 24 sheets, double-sided, 6x6 stamp set. Nice big stamp set. A whole set of dies, not like a single die. And all of these embellishments. And 2 little like stash building reusables of an ink and the metallic embossing powder. Their kits, plus cardstock, envelopes, etc. Their kits are going to retail for $34.99 plus shipping. I was really impressed with that price. I thought it was going to be more compared to some other kits that I have worked with or subscribed to in the past. So I thought it was a good value. I mean, obviously they do ask for the 3-month commitment, but the little bonus gift is super cute. And there's all kinds of benefits to 3-month commitment. Like you don't, you get 15% off in their shop if you are subscribed. So that's pretty exciting at their retail locations. And if you see them at stamp shows, it doesn't only have to be online. And then if you stay on for a whole year, you do get a bonus gift as well, in addition to the welcome gift. But yeah, so the $34.99 price point seems pretty reasonable to me compared to other kits for what you get, and the fact that they also throw in a discount for additional supplies on top of it. So I don't know, just my personal opinion. Okay. Now, the bonus welcome gift, just because it's so cute. So this explains the subscription. Woo, words. And then this is your little gift. So big fun pin. And this stamp set I can see using over and over and over. I love this stamp set. I love the like sort of fun print mixed with the handwritten script. I always love that combination, but I also like the overlapping letters. I think that would be just like fun coloring stuff to it. Anyway, I don't know, like it's a very simple stamp set, but sometimes that's what I personally like. So, and then the coordinating dies, which anytime, you know, you can have coordinating dies on a sentiment adds just a little bit of interest and fun to it. So I like that. So I think, yeah, I'm really impressed with what Pink and Mean is offering. I think that they've put together a quality kit, and I'm excited to try it and make some cards, and I will be hopefully back to share some of those cards with you before it is shipped out. It'll probably be about a week or so, but yeah, I just wanted to let you know. Thanks for watching. Check out the link in the video description if you want to find out more, and have an awesome day.